Okay, let's check our work. So 2A, we just need to fill in our blanks. So 7 times 3 ones is 21 ones. That's just a normal 21. 21 $1 bills, just 21. 7 times 1/10 would be 7/10, which should be a decimal 7. They solved this one for us. We need to set it up so it's going up and down. So I'm going to write 21 decimal. Then we have our decimal 7, and then a decimal 1, 4. To make sure that we're adding up the correct numbers, I highly suggest adding in some of these zeros. There we go, just like that. So I have 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. So our answer for this should be 21 and 84 hundredths. How'd you do? All right, down below, 6 times 4 ones would be 24 ones. 6 times 2 tenths would be 12 tenths. 6 times 5 hundredths would be 30 hundredths. And then we need to turn them into decimals. So 24 ones is just a normal 24. 12 tenths, that sounds familiar. I feel like we did that at some point. Is going to be a 12 that ends in the tenths place. So the 2 is in the tenths. The 1 gets bumped into the ones place. And 30 hundredths, I would have 0 ones, but I'd have 3 tenths and 0 hundredths. That way this 30 is ending in the hundredths place. All right, lining up my numbers. 1 decimal 2 decimal 3 0. Notice my decimal points are all lined up. That way I am adding up my tenths and my hundredths, my ones and my tens. I filled in with zeros. So hundredths, I have 0. Tenths, 0 plus 2 plus 3 would be 5. 4 plus 1 plus 0 is 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. Our answer for this would be 25 and 5 tenths, or 50 hundredths. Same thing. How'd you do? So either of these methods is perfectly acceptable. I want you to practice both, so that way later you can decide which one you prefer, but we have to practice both in order to decide. So on your exit ticket today, you have 2 problems, 4 copies of 3 tenths, and 3 times 9 and 63 hundredths. I want you to solve both of these. Of course, we can't show the area model on the online version, so you're just going to be entering your answers. All right, take your time, draw them out or write them out. Oops, that must mean we're done. And when you're ready, you're going to go to the exit ticket to check your work. Good job, everyone.